Am I the only one that didn't know Python has different data types? Let's break them down. When you're coding in Python, understanding data types is key. First up, we have integers, whole numbers like 1, 2, or 100. Next, floating point numbers, or floats, are numbers with decimals like 3.14. Strings are text, wrapped in quotes, like "Hello World." Booleans are simple, true or false. Lists are collections of items written in square brackets, like 1, 2, 3. Tuples are similar, but use parentheses and are immutable, meaning they can't be changed, like 1, 2, 3. Finally, dictionaries use key-value pairs to store data, like name Alice, age 25 vowels. There you have it. Python data types in a nutshell. Keep practicing, and you'll be a Python pro in no time.